Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add printer or scanner in Windows 11. So for us to get this done, let's go over and basically open a Bluetooth. I know this is actually the first step. So once you're in here, I want you to go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to see here option, more devices and print settings. Go ahead and click that one. And then you have add a printer right here. So you can go ahead and do that one and it's gonna search for any printer that is connected in your PC. Once you see that one, you should be able to add it from here. So in my case, I'm gonna close this one. I'm gonna show you way number two. So way number two, I want you to go over and basically type here printers and scanners, and you should be able to click this one. And from here, you have the option to basically add a device by clicking that one over there. If, say, for example, you weren't able to see your printer, you can go ahead and click add a new device manually, and you should be seeing something like this. So go ahead and basically choose ways in order for you to find your printer. So you can choose this one. My printer is a little older. Help me find it. Select a shared printer by name. Add printer using IP address, using Bluetooth or wireless network, or local printer or network printer with manual settings. So go ahead and choose between the following options which fit for you the best. And if, say, for example, you weren't able to add your printer using those, I suggest heading over to Google and going to your PC. So if, say, for example, this is your printer, go ahead and click that one. Click here and you should be able to see here downloads. So basically you're going to choose Windows 11 or whichever Windows you are using. And then you should be able to see here drivers. So go ahead and basically download and install using here. And that, everybody, is how you're going to install printers or scanners in Windows 11.